What is up, you guys? It is your boy Darren Graham back with another banger video, and today you guys will get to see the new outro that I made by myself, like I do all the time. I make all of them by myself, but let me prop up that. Okay, the camera's propped up. I'm getting my scooter in like the middle of like the end of this month. So today's like the 18th, the 9th, no, the 20th. Today's the 20th or the 21st. Let me check. I don't know this phone because this is not my phone. Yeah. Why don't this phone have no calendar? It has no calendar. Oh, there it is. Today's the 20th, June 2017, the 20th, and I'm supposed to get it at the end of the month or the middle of the next month. But I am getting a scooter, so it's either to like the end of this month or the middle of next month. Next month, after next month will be school, and then summer goes by fast. 3 little months go by fast. Dang. But yeah, you guys will get to see my new outro that I made. I got a new fidget spinner, but I took the bearings out, and I ain't gonna do nothing to it. I like it. It spins. But yeah. So today, I'm at the house by myself, and if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you could see everything that I'm doing. If I have any Wi-Fi, but yeah, wherever I'm about to go, you guys will get to see, because anytime I go somewhere, you guys will get to see, and yeah, so you guys will get to see on Snapchat, or either you can go and follow me on Instagram or Snapchat. It will be at the end of the video. You guys will see that. I don't have a computer with me right now, so I'm not gonna be able to do the little subscribe button at the end of the video or the last 2 videos. But at the end, my 2 videos are gonna be like right here on the side, and then it's gonna say subscribe right here, and then it's gonna have my little icon up here somewhere. And then yeah, so yeah, you guys go and do that. So I will be right back. It is, what time is it right now? It is 3:08, so this video will be up about 4:10. So yeah, go and click that subscribe button before the video starts. And well, I already started, but go and click that subscribe button. I'll be right back really quick. And yeah, so okay, so I'm back. I hope you guys' lives are going great right now. But yeah, I'm at my grandma's house right now. I was just at my mom's house, and so yeah, we're just they went somewhere really quick, but they will be right back. So yeah, this is just like a little talking vlog number 2, because there's nothing to do. Or wait, I can do this. Wait, I'm gonna need like this, like right here. Okay. Okay, so this is blurry. Wait, there we go. Wait, it's getting dark. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go outside and then I'm gonna do this and then it's gonna go like what? Okay, so or either I can do it in here and then I can just wipe it off. That sounds a lot better. Woo! Well, that's gone. Bye bye. Okay. Okay, you guys. Wait. I'll be right back. Okay. Oh! Holy. Yo, let me switch the camera around. Whenever it splattered, it went boom, boom, boom. Now this looks like a freaking murder scene. Yo, look at this. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna switch the camera. Actually, no, I'm gonna wait. It did that. Wait, focus. Okay, it's not focusing. Look at all that. There we go. It's focused. And it also did this. Look at this. Why did it do that? But yeah, I'm getting my scooter and not a long time, but let me clean up this. So yeah, I'll be right. Actually, I'm gonna do a time lapse of this and stuff like that. I'm gonna do a time lapse. So I also got on my camera lenses, so let me wipe this off. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute whenever I keep on. Guys, stop doing this.